This video has been taken on May 16th, 2016. Please once again don't mind my camera work. It's not the best in this video. But however, I'm planning on doing a revisit. Anyways, let's get on with the video.
Covering of a pre-soak. Unless you have a covering it. Try triple for mistake. Ooh, look. I can hear the dryer. It's a clear cut. If a dryer's moving. Thank you.
Please also let me know in the comments below if that was a MacNeil / Motor City Rushworks tunnel. If so, it is really rare for an Esso. So yeah, that's basically this car wash from 2016. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.